Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see the clipboard function in Excel. Normally, if I want to copy certain records from one sheet to the other, I will go here, copy the record from here and paste it. If I want something in between here, again I'll go here, copy, then paste it. And if I want something from the middle of the list, again I'll go and copy, paste. If we are doing the copy paste like this, it's going to take a lot of time and a very tedious process. We'll see how we can do this faster in Excel using the clipboard function. Here, if you see there is a arrow, click on this. So this will open up the clipboard. Now we'll just copy it. We don't paste it, just copy, Control C. And again I'll copy here, Control C. As you see here, it gets added. And again Control C, and I'll come down somewhere here, Control C, then Control C. So here again Control C. So I copied in multiple places, and now we'll go to the other sheet and we'll paste it. So here again I'll open the clipboard and click on paste all. So this is going to paste everything from here to the new sheets. In one click you can paste everything whatever you copied before. This is quite useful if you want to copy the data in a irregular manner. That means if you are not copying entire things, maybe in between certain rows, here 2 rows, here 2 rows, and somewhere down few data. So this is very useful. If you like this content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive notification on new videos. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.